Traveling using letsgomotorhome.com, and this motorhome name is a Jayco. So yeah, we go inside. This is the first entry of the motorhome. As you can see, in here is a lot of a drop that for put the stuff, and on top here is a double bed, can fit for 2 people. It's quite comfort, actually, really comfort, with the 2 windows in the left and in the right. And this is the driver front seat. You can covering as well if you want to be like that. So you have a private on top of that if you want to sleep, or you can closing. And this is the dining table, the dining chairs, the dining and the table. And this one can be a double bed as well for kids or adult if you have body not that so tall. And on top of here is another wardrobe that you can put all your stuff. And here is a touch green light that you can using if you want to. And this side, beside the dining, and over here is a television if you want to watch TV or DVD. And this is the radio, Bluetooth and everything. This is the control if you want to check the water, the electricity and the wastewater. Everything's in here. And beside this dining, they have sink, kitchen, mobile kitchen, and another stuff. Here they put cup, plate, bowl, glass, and everything. And down here they put it all the stuff that you need: tea towel, soap, and everything. And then the sink for the cold and hot water. See, you just press it like this. This hot water, this is cold water. And gluten everything is in here. And they have stove for stove if you wanna put the smell out from your kitchen or motorhome. And this is the light, kitchen light. Another drawer, and this is stove to cook pizza. And another drawer here, cooking stuff in here. I'll leave it all for you. And this is the queen bed. It's really comfortable bed. This is proper bed. It's really comfortable with all the things in here as well. And this is the fan to open up the top if you're feeling hot. Just another wardrobe. Something here to put soap, whatever, and in the drawer. And this is another one. A lot of wardrobe. And this is a shower if you want to taking a shower. And this toilet can moving around. I think that this toilet can moving around here and there. And this is the blower in case you air out. This is the side from the kitchen, from the shower, bedroom, kitchen, dining, another bed. It's quite good. It's really nice. Really nice to see that. And yeah, this motorhome by Jayco. And since Jayco is #1 brand for motorhome, I recommend it for people to renting this motorhome. This is quite big. Lucky Jayco.